Hello everyone, let us see what is perspective warp in Photoshop. So here is the image of a building. Now let's try to adjust the image in perspective. So we will be using an option in Photoshop which is perspective warp. So let's select the perspective warp and just let's click on this building. So here is the icon, and now what we have to do is first let's adjust the icon. Let's keep it in this position, and let's also click one more time on this building on the right side. So here we can see one more icon, and now what we'll be doing is we will just try to snap the point of this right side icon to the left side icon. Just we need to just select the point and then we'll just click on it. So now this icon is attached to the left side icon, and now let's adjust it properly. And now what we'll be doing is here we have the option warp. Let's click on the warp, right? And now we can just adjust these points and position the building in perspective. So we can see here. It's very simple, and we can also change the positioning here. So we will try to just keep it like this. So this is how we can position the building in perspective using perspective warp. So once we are done with this, we can just click on this tick mark to confirm the perspective warp. Let's try to use the perspective warp on another image. Here is another image. Here we have skyscrapers. So we will also try to use the perspective warp on this particular image. So let's go to edit, and here we'll select the perspective warp. So let's first click on the image. So we'll see one icon, and we'll first position this properly. Make sure that this icon is bigger than the image. The points of this icon go outside the image. Right, now you'll create one more icon. Just click on this image, or we can say tool. So then we'll also just try to keep it like this, position it in such a way that this icon is bigger than the image, and we can click one more time here, and here we can create any number of icons. Right, now let's try to unite them. Let's try to overlap this point of this center one on this on the first one. So something like this. So now we have attached the left and the middle one, the middle icon, and now we'll do the same thing with the right side one. Right, so now we have just created one complete boundary around these buildings with this perspective warp tool. Now let's just click on this warp option, and now let's try to adjust the points here so we can see. So we can just adjust in whichever way we like. So we can create objects in perspective, and this will be nice for creating matte painting, and then we can just apply the final changes. Here when I selected the move tool, a message pops up and it is saying apply. So just if we click apply, that's it, we have confirmed this. So this is the perspective warp tool. to adjust objects or images in perspective.